Alright guys, had a problem with my XC90 now for a little while. It's making a whining noise mostly on deceleration. So if I do that now, I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a slight whining. Mostly happens on deceleration. That's how it started. Now it's happening all the time basically. It's you know, no matter what speed you can hear it. Hope the video's picking that up. Anyway, it's been diagnosed as a rear diff problem. Rear diff needs a rebuild. So if anyone's got similar problems, it took me a long time to figure that one out, to be honest, because there weren't much info on any of the Volvo forums. But I eventually found out that the Freelander 2 shares the same diff along with the Evoque. It's a Ford Motor Company part. If you go into a Freelander forum, then there's absolutely loads of people having these problems. It doesn't seem to be too much of an XC90 problem at the minute. Obviously the mileage on my car, and coupled with the fact that it's probably never had an oil change. As I've went through the service history of the car, I've only had this now for like 7 months, and obviously that has not helped the car out at all. So yep, need a new rear diff or a rear diff rebuild. Not a cheap fix by any means, but I'll keep well, I'll post a video up with any updates on that. Maybe do a video showing the rear diff swap out if I decide to take on that mammoth task by myself. Alright, now you can hear it now, look, decelerating. It's been gradually getting worse, that sound.